press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
How are you all? Yes, I hope that you all are good. Okay. So in the previous class we discussed about southern plateaus, isn't it? Yes. So in the southern plateau we know that what? Yes. How many plateaus we saw? Yes. Central Highlands and then Deccan Plateaus, isn't it? Yes. So in the Central Highland consists of Malwa Plateau and then Chota Nagpur Plateau. And also we know that Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. So we already studied in the previous class, isn't it? Yes. So here now we are going to discuss about life in the southern regions. Okay, so we all are in the south part of India now. Yes, so we all are in the south part of our India. So here there are so many states comes in the south part of our India. So like Madhya Pradesh, so here we can see in the middle, so Madhya Pradesh and then Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra, Karnataka, and here Goa, small state. Okay, and here we can see that Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and then Tamil Nadu. Okay, so now in this class we are going to discuss about the life in the south plateaus. Okay, here so first we are going to know about Madhya Pradesh. So here we can see the Madhya Pradesh now. Yes, in the middle. So here first we are going to discuss Madhya Pradesh. So here also people living now. Yes. So the capital of Madhya Pradesh is which? Which is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? You have any idea? Yes, the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Okay. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. So here, and also the state is known for the forest reserves. So reserves means yes, misalu, isn't it? Yes. So we can see this. We can see the forest here. So there are so many forests we can see in the Madhya Pradesh. So this state is known for its forest reserves. So here we can see the so many animals, wild animals. Okay, if the forest is there means we can see the animals now. Yes. So here in the Madhya Pradesh state we can see the forest. Okay, forest we can see. Kadu, in Kannada Kadu, isn't it? Yes. So like we can see the national park in Madhya Pradesh. Which one? Yes, Kanha National Park we can see in the Madhya Pradesh. Kanha National Park. Which park? Yes, Kanha National Park. So here we can see the so many wild animals, big animals we can see here in the Kanha National Park. Okay, and here there are so many parks we can see in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so here which protect the tiger. So here we all heard about the news now. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದು ತಾನೇ? ಏನು ಟೈಗರ್ ಏನು ತುಂಬ ಟೈಗರ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಹಾ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಧ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ದೇ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ದ tiger, they protect the tiger in the Kanha National Park. and here most of the people are farmers. So here in the Madhya Pradesh, most of the peoples are farmers. So we can see in all part of India, we can see the farmers now. Indians' main occupation is, yes, farming. Farming is the main occupations of India, isn't it? So here in the Madhya Pradesh, the main occupation of the people is farming. Okay, so here so many people depend upon the agriculture. So here we can say that in the Madhya Pradesh, most of the peoples are farmers. ರೈತರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, yes. So here they grow wheat, jowar, okay, and then bajra and cotton, pulses, ಗೋಧಿ, okay, and then ಕಾಳುಗಳು, and they grow so many things. Okay, here, and also they grow seeds, okay, oil seeds, and also they grow many crops in Madhya Pradesh. So, and also and the famous Khajuraho temples, and also we can see the so many temples, famous temples, and also Sanchi Stupa we can see in the Madhya Pradesh. Which one? Yes, Sanchi Stupa. They are the very famous temples. Okay, and also we can see the so many tourist attractions means akarshane. We can see that they have so many temples, isn't it? If you are going to if you are going to if they given if you have vacations means where you want to go? Yes, you want to see the tourist attractions places now. Yes, so like that in the Madhya Pradesh we can see that so many temples, and also we can see the national forest in the Madhya Pradesh. Where we can see in the Madhya Pradesh? In the middle of India, isn't it? Yes, so here we can see the Madhya Pradesh, and here they protect the tigers. Where? In the national park. So they protect the tigers. Okay, so next one is Chhattisgarh. So next one is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. So here in the India map, where we can see the Chhattisgarh? Yes. So here in the Madhya Pradesh and in the Jharkhand middle, we can see the Chhattisgarh. Okay? Yes. So here farming is the main occupations of the people of Chhattisgarh. So here we can see the Chhattisgarh here now in the middle of Jharkhand, and also in the Madhya Pradesh. So in the Madhya Pradesh and also in the Jharkhand we can see Chhattisgarh. Okay, so here occupations means job or profession, isn't it? So main profession of the people of Chhattisgarh is, yes, what? Farming. Farming is the main occupation, isn't it? So we can say that India is depend upon agriculture, isn't it? So here in India farming is the main occupation. Paddy is the main crop grown here. So in the Chhattisgarh they grow paddy. Paddy is the main crop in Chhattisgarh. Okay, so here, and also linseed, betel nuts, eladki, and then watermelon. Okay, and also widely grow here. So they grow what? Betel nuts, okay, and watermelon, paddy, they grow in Chhattisgarh. Okay, the farming is the main occupation of the people. Which is the main occupation of the people in Chhattisgarh? Yes, farming. Farming is the main occupation of the people. So here, and also here we can see that Chhattisgarh is rich in mineral resources. So we already discussed in the previous class now. So here southern plateau starts from when the northern plains ends now, after that southern plateaus starts, isn't it? Yes. So here we already studied also that central highland and also the Deccan plateaus. In the what? Yes, in the Malwa region and also in the Chota Nagpur region, we can see in the Chota Nagpur region, already I told you now, this place is rich in minerals, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see that in the Chota Nagpur rich in coal, isn't it? So here in the place of Chhattisgarh we can see Chota Nagpur plateau now. Yes. So here which sugar mineral? Yes. This Chhattisgarh is rich in minerals. Okay. So Bhilai steel plant. So if the Chhattisgarh means any other states, if there is a rich in minerals means we can see the so many, yes, industries, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see in the Chhattisgarh Bhilai steel plants. Okay. Here is in Chhattisgarh. So the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Which is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Yes, Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. And here we can see the other important cities also, isn't it? Yes. So like Durga, Korba and Bilaspur. So these are the other important city we can see in the Chhattisgarh. And people speak Hindi. Which language they people speak in Chhattisgarh? Yes, Hindi. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಛತ್ತೀಸ್ಗಢಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಯೂಸ್? ಹಿಂದಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್, isn't it? Yes. So here Hindi is the main language of Chhattisgarh. So here Bastra region inhabited by tribal people. Inhabited means what? Yes, live in. So inhabited means ಆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಜನ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಜನ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾರೆ? ಎಸ್, ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅದು? ಎಸ್, ಬಸ್ತರ್. Bastar. So here in this region we can see the so many tribal people live in this region. Okay, so here, so region means Pradesha in Kannada. Okay, here these people speak Hindi. Okay, the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur, and the main occupation of the people in Chhattisgarh is farming. Farming is the main occupation of the Chhattisgarh, isn't it? Where we can see in the map? Yes. So here Madhya Pradesh and here Jharkhand. So we can see in the middle. Okay, so here we can see the Chhattisgarh. Okay, so this is Chhattisgarh. So and also here so already I told you now, farming is the main occupation. So this is about, yes, Chhattisgarh. And after that Jharkhand. So these all places comes in the central highlands. Okay, so this what? Yes, central highland plateaus. This all place comes, okay, here. Here we can see it now. Yes, these places comes in the central highland. So this what the plateau is divided into unequal parts by which river? Yes, Narmada river. So after that Jharkhand, okay, Jharkhand. So now next state is Jharkhand. Where we see in the map? Where? Yes, we can see the Jharkhand here. Okay, so Jharkhand. So next state is Jharkhand. So a part of Jharkhand state lies on the Chota Nagpur plateau. I already told you now. Yes, we can see this Jharkhand lies in the Chota Nagpur plateau. So we see it now. In the central highland consists of, yes, Malwa plateau and then Chota Nagpur plateau. So the Jharkhand, we can see the Chota Nagpur plateau. It lies in the Chota Nagpur plateau. Where? Yes, Jharkhand. We can see in the Chota Nagpur plateau. Here, which plateau is there? Yes, here Malwa plateau and here Chota Nagpur plateau we can see. So this Jharkhand is rich in minerals. So this Jharkhand state is rich in minerals. So I already told you now. So Chota Nagpur plateau is rich in minerals. So in the Chota Nagpur plateau we can see the Jharkhand. So this lies in the Chota Nagpur plateau, isn't it? Yes. So this Jharkhand state is rich in minerals and also forest reserves. So here also we can see the reserves. So forest reserves. So we can see the forest also here. Okay. And the capital of Jharkhand is, yes, Ranchi. So capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Which is the capital of Jharkhand? Yes, Ranchi. ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಎಸ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜಾರ್ಖಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ರಾಂಚಿ. ಓಕೆ, here the city of Bokaro has the largest steel plant in India. So in the state of Jharkhand we can see cities. There are so many cities we can see in the Jharkhand. Like in Karnataka we can see the so many cities now, isn't it? Like Davangere, Belgaum, Hubli, Dharwad, like that. In the Jharkhand we can see the cities also. Here in the city, which city? Yes, like the city of Bokaro has the largest steel plant in India. So in the Jharkhand there is a city, the name is Bokaro. So the Bokaro cities we can see the largest steel plant. ನಾವೇನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Yes, Bokaro steel plant we can see here in the state of Jharkhand. Which city? Yes, Bokaro city. Okay, yes. So we can see the another important city in the Jharkhand, like Jamshedpur. Like Bokaro have largest steel plant now. Like that, Jamshedpur is also another important city in Jharkhand. Okay, another here people speak here Hindi. Which language they speak? Yes, which language? So here they speak Hindi. So people speak Hindi. Okay, yes. And so this is all about the Jharkhand state, isn't it? Yes. So we already studied about Madhya Pradesh and then Chhattisgarh and also Jharkhand, isn't it? Yes. So these all states comes in the Central Highland. Yes. Central Highland Plateau now. Yes. So in the Central Highland Plateau consists of Malwa Plateau and then Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay. So these states comes in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. So Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in minerals. And another important city we can see. Another important city. Okay. Which are the city we can see in the Jharkhand? Yes, Bokaro and also Jamshedpur. So in the Bokaro, what we can see? India's largest steel plant we can see in the Bokaro. Okay. So and also Jamshedpur is also important city in Jharkhand. Okay. These people speak Hindi language and the capital of what Jharkhand is Ranchi. Okay. So next state is, yes, which state? So on another state like Maharashtra. So here we can see the Maharashtra here. Okay. In the west part of our India. It is our neighboring state. It is our neighbor state now. Yes. So here Maharashtra we can see here. So here we can see the Maharashtra in the Indian map. So these states lies in the northwestern. Okay, these states lies in the northwestern part of Deccan Plateau. So here northwestern part we can see here now. So after I already told you now, the Narmada river divided this plateau into unequal part. So here this Maharashtra state we can see in the Deccan Plateau. Okay. Yes. Here this soil is area. Here in the Maharashtra, the soil in this area is very fertile. The soil of this area is very fertile soil, isn't it? Yes. The Godavari and the Krishna passes through this region. So here in the Maharashtra, we can see that what? Yes, already I told you now, many rivers rises in the west and flows to the Bay of Bengal. And Narmada and Tapi river, yes, rises in the eastern part of India and falls to the Arabian Sea. Like that, here Godavari and Krishna river, yes, passes through this region in the Maharashtra. In the Maharashtra region, Godavari and also Krishna rivers flows here. Okay. Yes, most of people are farmers. So ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್, yes, occupation is the farming. Yes, farming is the main occupation, job or profession. Okay. They grow cotton, jowar, bajra and groundnuts. They grow, yes, according to the climate, according to the fertile of the soil, isn't it? Like that we grow the crops now. Yes. So here in the Maharashtra, the people grow, okay, which crops? Jowar, bajra, cotton, groundnuts and then sugarcane. So here in the Maharashtra the people grow, yes, bajra, cotton, jowar and also sugar cane. Okay, here and also they grow, not only they grow what wheats or pulses or bajra, and also they grow like fruits also, isn't it? They grow fruits. Not only what in the book na ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವರು ಬೆಳೆಸಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ನ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ದೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, not only the sugar cane, not only the cotton, groundnuts, but also they grow many other crops like fruits like oranges and grapes they grow. Okay, and mangoes, so here they grow the mangoes also and also grapes. Okay, oranges they produce in plenty, so they produce in plenty. Nagpur, you all heard now? Nagpur is famous for oranges. In the state of Maharashtra we can see the Nagpur now. So Nagpur is famous for oranges. Okay, so these oranges are supplies all over the India, isn't it? Yes, so the oranges of Nagpur is very tasty, isn't it? Yes, so it's very famous also. Nagpur oranges are very famous. And also the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. So which is the capital of Maharashtra? Yes, Mumbai. So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. And also in the Maharashtra we can see so many cities like Pune, Nasik and also Solapur, Aurangabad or many other cities we can see in the Maharashtra, isn't it? Like I already told you now, for example, if we are living in the Karnataka means Bangalore is the only not only the one city in Karnataka, but we can see the other cities also na. Like that we can see so many other famous cities in Maharashtra, where we can see in the Maharashtra like Pune, Nasik, Solapur and Aurangabad we can see in the Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. And here we can see the famous temples also like Ajanta and Ellora caves are in Aurangabad. So here in the Maharashtra we can see the Ajanta and Ellora. It's famous na. Ajanta and Ellora, isn't it? Yes. So here Ajanta and Ellora caves we can see in Maharashtra in Aurangabad city. Here and also we can see the folk dance. Folk dance is famous here, isn't it? So folk means what? Yes. So people generally dance, isn't it? So for their happiness, isn't it? If we all are happy means we sing, we dance now. Like that they also sing and dance now. So the famous folk dance is Tamasha. Tamasha is the folk dance of Maharashtra. Here men wear dhoti and kurta. So here dhoti means here we call it lungi now. Yes. So in the Maharashtra they call dhoti. They wear in different style and also they wear kurta. Okay. And well, the women wear sari and blouse. So you all know na? Yes, dhoti and kurta men wear, women wear sari and blouse. So Ganesh Chaturthi. So we all very eagerly wait for the Ganesh Chaturthi now. Yes. So here in the Maharashtra, they celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, festival. The most important festival of Maharashtra is Ganesh Chaturthi. So what ಗಣೇಶ ಹಬ್ಬ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಹೌದು ತಾನೇ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣಪತಿನ ಮನೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಣಪತಿನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಗಣೇಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, so most important festival of Maharashtra is Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival. Okay, so this is all about Maharashtrian state. Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and also we can see the main tourist attraction here, Ajanta and Ellora caves here we can see Maharashtra. Okay, so this is all about how many states we studied? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and also Maharashtra. Okay, so in the plateaus we already studied now Central Highland and then Deccan plateaus. So in the Central Highland we can see the Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. So we know about we already know about the life in this region ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವೇನೇನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಏನೇನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹೌದು ತಾನೇ? ವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, capital, isn't it? And the famous tourist attraction, famous crops and the occupation of these states, isn't it? Yes. So we studied about life in this region. Which regions? Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and also Maharashtra. Okay, so in the next class we will going to know about other important states of this plateaus, Deccan plateaus. Okay, I hope that you all understand this. Okay, study well. Thank you.